Here we go.
Hello, I'm visiting Buzzy homes. Take one.
Take
two.
one. Take one.
Take one.
Yeah.
We didn't count the other one. Okay, let me sit down. All right. I'm visiting Buzzy home. That he is the admin of the fan club, and been a friend of my stuff for 3 years, maybe 4 years.
Yeah, 3 I would say. 3 years. Yeah.
3 years.
Yeah. 3 years.
You get everything from Mike.
Mike no, I didn't get the preamp.
No.
That was from up Kitchener way.
That's a Blue Circle BC103 preamp you got there. It's right behind the camera right now. So I'm going to take the camera off the tripod after we yap, and we won't try. I am not. Sorry. Let me try it again. I am trying to not get too boring with it, but I don't know about Mike. Buzz.
Yeah, I didn't have any Angela-Gilbert gear at all. I had a tube amp, actually. And I come across the preamp online. Somebody was selling it on Marketplace. So I took a chance and bought the preamp, the Blue Circle. And from there, I purchased one of your funky amps and put them together.
Yep, you bought that from Mike. That one you bought.
But
you bought that from Mike.
I bought the funky from Mike. And I bought the line conditioner from Mike. Somebody come in the store with it and traded it in. I just happened to be there at the right time. So now I've got all Angela-Gilbert, all his stuff. He's done an upgrade on my Phono Pre, which is awesome. I've got the what have I got? FCF on there.
You got FCF on the power amp?
On the power amp, and I got the, what else have I got?
You forgot. That's okay. That's all right, you forgot.
Yeah, no, I got the cap, yeah.
You get a cap pack in the back too?
Yeah, along the side there, you can see it. Yeah.
Oh, okay, that's the cap pack 5 for the amp.
Yeah, and I just strictly, I play records, basically, and today, Angela brought a preamp that we tested.
The cookie candy.
The cookie can pre.
Cookie candy.
Yep.
Cookie candy preamp.
And he actually introduced me to some digital music, which I've never played.
I bought a laptop and then we just play some YouTube music.
And it's awesome. I can't say enough about the sound. It's just incredible.
Well, you can't say enough because you listen too much.
Well,
it's better to listen to than talk.
Yeah, I would say it is. It sounds really good. What else can we discuss?
We're not discussing anything. We're just yapping in front of a camera.
Okay.
It's better to yap in a camera than actually talk to people because they talk back if you talk to them in real life.
That's right.
Yeah, you talk to camera. You can't talk back right away.
We can just hear what we want to hear.
Yeah, I'm going to take the camera off and then go around the room and show off your fancy little room.
You should show it off. Even look at the stand that I designed.
That I will show, but I'm going to skip that part so I don't have to rate. I don't have to rate on YouTube as PG.
I don't think there's anything in here that's
right there
below board. Where?
Right there.
What's wrong with that? What's wrong with that?
Can we show that?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
I better turn those around.
No, you don't have to turn those around. Why don't you put a piece of paper on top, or just stand there and block it when I get to there?
Okay, I'll do that.
I would take the camera.
We're not going to open them up anyway.
No, right? I don't know what Playboy. I don't know what YouTube will actually say.
What would you say?
Yeah, I don't know what YouTube will say about Playboy.
Nothing.
Okay.
Not from a cover point of view.
Okay.
Centerfold, yeah, but not the cover.
Okay, I'm going to take the camera off the tripod. So this is where Buzzy usually sits. It's not an exact center position.
No, this is the center here. I'm right in the sweet zone.
Okay, I am going to start showing this wall. That's the left speaker. Oh, We should take the tripod away when I turn around. So let me go this way.
There we go. There we go. How's that?
Explain to us about the artwork there.
Well, this artwork is all hand scrolled, hand sanded, and 3 coats of urethane.
You forget to tell who makes it.
I make it.
What, you didn't tell?
Okay, yeah, no. All the artistry in here I've made.
Okay.
Similar to yourself in your artsy way.
All right, that's Buzzy in the close-up, and let's see the other side.
Yeah. Well, there's a couple more pieces I did up there. I designed record holders. I sold several of these, which are very, very functional. What else? Well, this is another art piece I did. White stripes. This is a nice piece of lithograph artwork. I picked that up actually in Florida at a yard sale. Couldn't believe that. What else did I do? This was the very first piece I did, actually. Rolling Stones. That's Mick Jagger. And I did a couple, I don't know what you call those, but nobody famous, just a couple art pieces I did.
Sometimes not famous is more fun because you don't know.
Yeah,
use your imagination.
Yeah. I got some Grateful Dead, I did. And I've got Kiss. That's a pretty big piece, actually. I did a smaller version of that, too. I sold that.
What size is that, approximately?
Well, I think that's about a 29 square.
Yeah, stand back a little bit so I can
29 inches
put
roughly.
the Kiss poster to compare size.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that's okay.
I think it's about that.
Yep.
And this was my latest piece that I did for myself, this Led Zeppelin. And I do music wall diffusers. I've done probably 4 or 5 of those, which do serve a function, do they not?
Yeah, they do. I mean, even the wood piece actually serves a function.
Yeah.
Mostly reflective, but still, it's still a wood, not a drywall type.
Yeah. And what do you think? Is this an actual detriment to my sound?
It depends on what
ceiling.
It depends on what kind of sound you want. They will all reflect, and there are a lot of audiophiles prefer to actually make the room as best treatment as possible.
Right.
But to me, we still want to live in that room.
Yeah.
We don't necessarily want to actually live in a laboratory.
It's got to be comfortable, right?
Yeah, live in a, not live in a laboratory. Now I'm sitting at the listening position. I'm looking at the equipment and the speakers, and now you can actually see what Buzzy usually see. That's the preamp. That's the preamp. That's the power amp. That's the power line conditioner at the bottom, and turntable. That's the modified Unison Research Simply Phono with the external power supply here. I took the original power supply off the original box and put it in the bigger box to improve the power supply. And this is the additional today is the cookie candy can because it's a cookie can at the front. And
how about the FCF?
And FCF too. And the candy can is actually at the back. Candy can is the back. Can I point it there? Yeah, that's now I pointed there. Candy can. And that's my laptop playing the music from YouTube. We need to play more before I leave here after we take the video.
And don't forget the gold note speakers.
Speaker, wait till the last. I still have to show the SD cap back down there with the red lights.
Yeah.
That's hooked up to the power amp input stage, and we have a FCF right here. That's the FCF unit hooked up to the power amp output stage for external. They are both external capacitor pack to add on to the power amp. And this old preamp needs a special connector to connect any one of those, and Buzzy haven't gave it to me yet, and even if it does, I don't have time to do it right now. So I am going to go back there and look at the big pictures, and you can see the pair of Gold Notes. What's the model of the Gold Note speaker?
Oh, did you mention the PLC on the bottom?
Yeah, I did.
Oh,
I
you did?
mentioned,
Okay,
yeah.
okay.
So there's a pair of Gold Note speaker there. Now, if you forget anything, you gotta. If anybody asks for those, then you gotta come on and comment and reply to those comments. We don't have script, and I'm not gonna do a take two. I'd rather listen to more music.
Yeah. Yeah.
And we're not professional actor.
No. Maybe you're getting there, but I'm not.
Yeah, I'm not getting paid, so I'm not getting. Oh, I am getting paid by YouTube. I gotta check my account to see that I could pay me.
Yeah.
The very first time, so I have enough money to buy hot dogs.
Pizza, hot dogs.
Yeah, hot dogs, not pizza. They're cheap. They don't pay me a lot. Anyway, so that's about all we have today, and I'm gonna put it back in the tripod. So Buzzy, stand there with me.
Okay. Here we go. Here we go.
Yeah, that's me and Buzzy, and until next time, stay safe and bye.
Be good. Bye.
Be good?
Well, no, be bad.
Yeah.